Hi everybody, it's Food Pantry Day, and wow, did we get a good haul today. They had bread again. Yeehaw! We love that. Thank goodness. So, we have some Suave Rosemary and Mint shampoo and conditioner, and this is my favoriteest shampoo and conditioner ever. I love it. Pretty much what I use on my hair, except for right now I am using Aussie because they had a 90% off clearance sale at Dollar General a while back. So that's what I've been using. But this right here, rosemary and mint, that's what I use on my hair. I love it. It's great. It's wonderful. I can't wait to use it again. We got Puppet Mini Donuts by Entenmann's. They are frosted chocolate donuts. We got Softies donuts. They have powdered sugar, plain, and chocolate frosted. And then an all butter loaf cake. Yum. All by Entenmann's. Entenmann's is so good. We got some hamburger buns back there. And some country style white Arnold bread. Yum. I got 2 things of black raspberries because they looked really, really good. I'm going to freeze them up and stick them in a smoothie. Yum. And these cucumbers, these little fresh cucumbers looked great. They feel good. Oh, they look yummy. We're definitely doing a salad tonight, and you'll see why. We got some flatbread, 2 of those. They looked pretty darn good, and you can make little pizzas out of them. Did you know that? You can. We got a family-size Caesar salad kit. That's why we're having the salad. Plus 6 things of little cherry tomatoes. Or grape tomatoes, grape tomatoes, grape tomatoes. I'll correct myself because somebody out there will get me. 6 things of grape tomatoes. 5 of them I'm going to use to make some more tomato sauce because that came out really, really good. So watch that video and use your tomatoes to make tomato sauce that way. It came out awesome. And then we got some kiwis, some golden kiwis, and that's good because me and Emma ate all the golden kiwis that we bought last week. They were so good. So now we got a few more. We got some Idahoan home-style and 4 cheese mashed potatoes instants. I like those just when it's a whatever night. I'll have a pack of potatoes for dinner. Yep, that's a whatever night for me. Some hot dog buns, rolls, whichever way you want to call them. They're there. That's what we got. And they look pretty good too. And I got hot dogs. We got some orange mango Sunny D. Yum. I like Sunny D. I think I'm the only one that likes it, but I like it. We got some yellow mustard. I was almost out of yellow mustard. I was almost out, pretty much out. I have like maybe a tablespoon left in the bottle, so yay, got some more of that now. And these, if you've never had these little silver can, very young sweet peas, you need to have them. They're so good. Oh, yum. And then we got some smoked ham in a can. I like those just for a quick lunch. And we got some Mary Kitchen corned beef hash. Mary Kitchen, one of the best. If you can't get this stuff in a gold package down at Caswell's, I don't even know who it's by. It really doesn't have a name on it. But oh my god, it is so good. And I've never seen this before. Never heard of it. Wensleydale cheese with lemon and honey. Wensleydale cheese with zesty lemon curd and sweet honey. Never heard of that. I don't know where they got it from, but it looked pretty good, and Mom picked it out of the box, but she gave it to me. Isn't she so nice? And then I found a heavy whipping cream and gave it to her, because she's been using that a lot too. So, yay! And then we got some good, wonderful potatoes back there. You know I like to cook them up ahead of time, have them all ready to go in the freezer. And yeah, all you usually do is you cook them down until the water comes out. I microwave mine totally until the water comes out. That's all you do. And we got a little country loaf and another sliced loaf of bakery bread. That is our wonderful, wonderful, wonderful food pantry haul for today. I gotta get going on doing up some tomato sauce, and then I gotta put the salad together. Oh, I'm so happy. Woo! So, yeah. And then I'm gonna check out that cheese, too, after I put it back in the fridge. Because it's a little, it was outside there, and then it came home in the van with us inside the van. And it's a hot day today, too, still. So, we gotta let that cold back up. So, anyway, we will see you on the next food pantry video. I hope you enjoyed my haul. Check out that other video on making tomato sauce. Heck, check out a whole bunch of other videos. I got a lot. And the videos that I've done from like 2 years ago are not getting much love. Check them out. No bake pies on there. And those are great for summertime because they're cold in the freezer. They're freezer pie. You got to check them out. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great, wonderful, super fantastic day.